Hello, it's me. Welcome back to a proper vloggy vlog.
Hey, it's me.
As you can see, I'm standing here with my fridge open because I figured I always start a really good vlog when I'm doing my grocery shop because it gives me lots of time to talk to you guys. So I've already been out today. It is currently Monday. I've just uploaded my set up my coffee corner vlog with me this morning. So I'm back. I'm in a roll. Don't know what my hair is doing. It's a bit crazy. I am currently 14 weeks. No, I'm not. I must be 15 weeks. 15 weeks postpartum today, which means Ollie's, 3 months and 2 weeks old. About there, something like that. So anyway, he's currently down for a nap. It is like 11:30 or something, maybe quarter to 12. I have just taken out and cleaned all the drawers from my fridge. So all the drawers have been cleaned. I pulled them apart. So now I'm going to clean the actual fridge out. I've been to Costco this morning and done a massive haul of like meat and cheese and butters and all the fun things that we normally buy from there. I've got a massive grocery shop coming from Woolies I need to go pick up. I need to go do a Kmart click and collect as well. I've got some like organisy drawer storage thingies for the fridge. We're just like sorting things out, doing some things. Now that we've got 2 incomes, we can kind of catch back up on the things we've not been able to do. So, you know, little bits and pieces around the house, starting with sorting out the fridge. So anyway, I'm probably just going to time lapse, but that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to finish cleaning the fridge, put the drawers back in, and then when Ollie wakes up, we're going to go to Midland and pick up our Kmart order, and then go past and pick up our click and collect and come home and sort that out. So anyway, welcome back to myself. Thanks so much. I also need to go pick up a little whiteboard because, as I mentioned in my coffee video, I wanted to have a little whiteboard there, which was in my click and collect, and for some reason it's out of stock. So they've refunded me for that, which is fine. So I'm gonna go and do that. But yeah, like hubby literally like cleaned the range hood and like all the little fan things that go in it. He took them out, cleaned the hot plate, like everything looks so fresh and so clean. So one of the next big jobs, I keep forgetting I'm so sunburnt. Oh my gosh, it's so embarrassing. I'm such an idiot. Look at this. It's more windburn than anything, but like, I keep forgetting and I get distracted in my back. Anyway, I made a really good coffee this morning, so I'm feeling very happy today after my meltdown yesterday. I don't know if this is like bags under my eyes or what's going on. Anyway, we love this lighting. But yeah, so hubby helped me yesterday, like clean some more stuff. I need to book a lady to come and clean my oven. I'm not lazy. I would like to do it myself, but it is like 3 years worth of build up. So I just want someone to come and do it and then I can maintain it. So I'm going to book the lady for that. I need to call someone about our fridge because we've just changed all the filters and stuff and it keeps leaking. And like once you've got a glass of water and you take it out, it still like overruns. So anyway, got to sort that out. What else? Oh, I need to book like pest control to come and like spray for spiders and stuff because we probably left it a bit late, but it's a bit out of control at the moment. It's a bit annoying. Lots of spideys everywhere. So that's that. So anyway, let's get this fridge sorted. Okay, the fridge is done. Super clean, super empty, ready for all of our groceries. And I feel like post-Christmas, that's just what happens. Like obviously I've got all of this stuff now that I'll open up and separate and it goes where it goes. And I've already put like, Artie loves to be able to come and get a snack in the morning now, and he loves his probiotic drinks and his little Baby Bell cheeses. So yeah, obviously once I divvy all that meat and stuff up, it'll go in the freezer. I'll clean the freezer out as I'm doing that. But at least it's nice and fresh and done. So Ollie is pretty much due to wake up any minute now. So I'm going to quickly wipe the benches and vacuum the floor in the kitchen because I made a little bit of a mess. And then hopefully he wakes up, I'll feed him and we'll head off. And then I'll see you when I get back here. What is it? You can't eat food. Staring at me like this 5 minutes while I've been eating my lunch. What is it? Okay, it's 4:10. It's been a day. Got to Midland, went to the bank, started doing what I needed to do at Kmart quickly, decided to pop into Target, and then Ollie decided that he needed to have a sleep. So I thought, okay, well, save me having to get him in the car, then back out the car at Woolies and go in and get the things that I forgot to get in my click and collect. I'll just do it while I'm here now. And he had like a 25-minute nap in the pram, so that's okay. Then he cracked it just as we were getting home. So he's now currently, Jake's home and he's feeding. So anyway, I'm going to unpack this monstrosity. I don't feel like that even does it justice. Anyway, there's just shit everywhere. So firstly, I need a coffee, very well and truly. So let's do that first. If not, I can fill up your B-box one. Does that sound better? I don't know where it is, darling. Daddy picked you up. So where's your backpack? Is it in the cupboard? Okay, yeah, let me have a look. Let me have a look while this is good. What's the matter? Okay, hubby's gonna make himself a coffee when he gets out of the shower. I was so proud of myself. I was so content with my coffee this morning that I did not need to buy a coffee out today. That was pretty good. Okay, anyway, let's handle this mess. I don't know why I just whispered everyone's awake. Okay, so this is a small drawer. Maybe a cheese drawer. Cute. So I got these for Milo. These ones are so gross and old and don't even suit. Cute. Milo. I'll stop if it's perfect. What's this? Oh, a candle. Yum. Jake, I found a candle that smells like, it's called Espresso Martini. It's coffee and vanilla.
Does it smell like an egg block?
No. Why?
Is that what it is?
Oh.
No, I'm joking. No, that actually smells like espresso martini.
Yeah, this actually smells good.
It's hot house and smell like coffee.
Oh, this is much smaller than I expected.
All you gotta do is just open the coffee bag and then that's it.
Okay, this needs to go back because it is way too, it says tall glass container. That is not a tall glass container. It's tiny. So I need another black canister, but a taller one for Jake's chai sachet.
Am I new?
Really? Okay, I'm really impressed with all this stuff. Jake, come have a squiz. Huh? I got these new boxes. They've only just come into stock at Kmart. They're like food savers for the fridge. So you can like wash all your fruit and veggies and stuff and put them in there. Or just like storage for like your cheeses and stuff. But like, look how cool this is.
Look after Ollie, please, Ada.
We've even got like little sills and stuff, so like that goes on there. And if it's something that needs to breathe, you can leave one of those open, or you can close it so they stay sealed.
That's cool.
A couple of different sizes.
Oh, it smells glorious.
That's the candle.
Where is it?
Yeah.
Is it lit?
No.
Oh, that just smells so good.
Have a whiff.
I might just open it up. Oh.
It's actually not bad.
That's
And
cool.
look,
That's
they're finally not doing those dumb paper freaking
Oh,
labels.
good. They're actually good labels now. They catch me with everyone.
Bloody
Oh,
idiots.
that's
Okay, so it's been a couple of hours. I've had a shower and washed my hair, but the fridge is done. Okay. Ta-da! So much better, because I need everything to have a place, and like we've had a rhythm of the fridge for so long, but like I haven't you know had the time or money to do this. So let me just zoom out. So like we've got little things for Artie that he can just grab, including fruit because he can reach that now. Hang on, Artie. So yeah, things that he can reach. The M&Ms are hidden, so just shh about that. But like ham and cheeses, a kilo of halloumi, eggs and bacon. We've just got so many eggs at the moment, so I've got an extra lot here. We usually use everything on the bottom first, but everything just has its own spot now. It's just so much nicer. We always have lots of butter because I bake a lot, lots of cheese. We literally have a whole cheese drawer now and some more cheese up there. I went through all the condiments and stuff today, cleaned everything as you saw, and I'm just like super stoked with how it is now. So I love that. Thanks so much for helping me clean my fridge and body doubling with me. Jake's just got some steak on the barbie for us. I'm gonna make a little salad, and then I'm gonna divvy up all this meat and freeze some bits and pieces, and then that's pretty much it. So from me to you, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.